Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today is super cold. Now, I hope the audio is a ton better than it was before. Yesterday, I didn't really change the setting or anything when I was working on my brother's car. And, you know, it didn't sound, you know, as good as I thought it was. But I changed a few settings on the GoPro to enhance the audio a little bit with the Rode mic. And god damn, this shit is so distracting. But but anyways, I hope the audio is working out this time around. And today I'm gonna pull that motor out. So right now I'm going to do some musical chair, move the wagon over, move the CRX out, move that one up front, move this CRX behind this car, cover it all up just in case it starts raining, and get the ball rolling.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
Alright guys, so I guess there's no turning back. Single cam is out, and now I gotta swap everything over to the B20, the CJS harness, some miscellaneous things, and then I still gotta swap out the axle seals and throw on the half shaft to the B20. Sorry I don't have my lighting on me right now, but I'm probably gonna throw a transfer case on as well, so that way I don't have to do it underneath the car.
I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So I'm going to give you guys a quick little update here. The engine is near complete and ready to rock and roll. So I went ahead and installed the transfer case in the back right there. I did the new axle seals, the half shaft. That axle stuck in the half shaft, that's why it's on there right now. But I got the speed sensor from the single cam transmission, because I am going to retain the CRX cluster with the cable that fit right in there. A little bit mod to the bracket, but it is secured into place. It's not going to move. I'm only worried about it interfering with the cable once I get it in place, but no big deal. CJSWIRING tuck harness, budget tuck harness is all hooked up, Everything's in place, and all I got to do is run this into the cabin and hook it up. That's that. I took the turbo and the manifold off because I'm not going to be running turbo right now. I'm going to run all motor. I just got to figure out a header setup when this is all up inside the car. It is like 8:50 right now, and I have this propane heater out here with me, and this thing came in super clutch. Now this item, I believe, as far as I know, it's a seasonal item, so you can only buy it during the winter or fall. And you guys should go grab some for yourself if you love working on your car, say in the garage, or when you have rainy weather out or snowy weather out. This sucker right here will keep you super warm. As you can tell, I only have one on because this is super hot, and two will probably cook me into burnt pork or something. So that allowed me to scrub the engine bay down with some McGuire's, wash soap and mitt. Got everything all cleaned up. I haven't seen this clean like this since I painted it early last year, and it's looking really good. All of the axle grease and everything's all gone, and all I got to do as far as right now goes is find that rear motor mount, that driver's side motor mount. I may continue this video tomorrow, install the engine tomorrow as well when it's warmer out, and I still gotta go to the store, grab all the materials and everything to start mocking up the mounts before we get them welded. But whatever it is that I decide to do, you will see it in the next clip. So we're back here in the garage the next day, and I didn't swap the B20N last night. I just got super cold. My gas ran low on the propane tank, and that was a sign to close up. So I went ahead and just scrambled for all my motor mounts. This right here is a B series Hydro EF mount. This is the driver's side, and this one is the rear. All the inserts has been changed out, I believe 2 years ago to I think these are 88 Race Street, I think, I'm not sure, but they're definitely the 88s or in the 80s. And this right here is my old cable transmission Hasport motor mount. So when I went full hydro, I had to buy this guy, and this is the motor mount that I planned on using to modify and make a transmission mount for the CRV trans. Mom took the van somewhere. Uncle didn't leave his keys. I might just mob the van right now to the metal shop and go pick up a thick enough steel plate to use as a base plate for the transmission, and then we'll get the engine into the car. So I just got back home. I went to the P.O. box real quick, and there's another package from Nicholas. If you guys don't remember, he sent me the blow-off valve and a couple of cassettes for my wagon. So we have a mail as well. It says, Dana, hey man, hope this helps you out. Don't sweat it, man. Your content is great, and I would like to help any way I can. Nick, fist bump to the cats. Now, I'd give you a fist bump, but Meow Meow was in his little tent over there on top of my car, napping. Here we have oh snap, boys. Oh snap. Yo. No. Oh, yo, hey Nick. Oh my goodness, bro. So we have a bunch of I believe these are stubby cups adapter, and a bunch of back caps, a lot of oh my god, what is this? Oh, these are glass cups. Holy matrimony. So we got a bunch of supplies for the welding torch, and I've just been meaning to go buy these since I've destroyed a bunch of mine. Check this out. This has been my torch setup, and this was like an adapter I made to go further out. It worked, but it was so bad with coverage. But I've been meaning to go buy some supplies for my welding machine because I've gotten a lot of inquiries on doing some fab work and stuff, and I just been putting it off. I've just been lagging on it. But thanks to Nick, we have some supplies right here for the torch, and honestly, I'm ready to get back into welding, and I cannot thank you enough for that, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. When I see Mel, fist bump. I got you. I couldn't find anything in the scrap bin that was thick-walled square tubing, which I'm going to be using as the neck portion of the mount. This is the base plate. I got it about ½ an inch. Yeah, I would say ½ an inch, and plenty of thick. And then I found these stainless steel 065 tubing, which I can use for a dump tube. It was fairly cheap, so I bought the whole 3 foot of that. But yeah, ideally it's going to be like so, and then it's going to have this part right here on top of the square tubing, however long it needs to be from the post mount, trans mount to the body itself. So I'm gonna grab it quick, and then I'm gonna put you guys on the laps, get the engine squared up a tad bit more, and then we'll roll it underneath the car. Car is back up on jack stands, and between the 4 jack stands, those that are on the car now is the identical pair, and they are the same height at the lowest setting. So I'm crossing fingers that the car is leveled. But right now the engine is bolted in with the driver's side motor mount, and none on the rear, none on the passenger. Engine is a little bit off centered, but if you can see right now, I am touching the frame rail right there, but the engine has to lean a little bit, and I'm sure that'll clear after I do so. But I am going to cut this video into 2 segments because I looked at the clips yesterday, and it was already like 26 minutes that I got to edit down, so I don't want to add more on top of that one. So this one is just pretty much me pulling the single cam out, swapping the B20 in, and then tomorrow's video you guys should be seeing all of the custom motor mount and rear T-bracket modification. So I am going to cut this video right here. If you guys want to see how I come up with the motor mounts, stick around for tomorrow's video. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.